Hello, I'm Marcus Boston. In today's quick video, we are going to talk about HIE and seizures and how some families, what they can see is after their child has an HIE diagnosis, they experience seizures, all right? And so I mentioned this term HIE, or hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy. And for the context of this video and what we do, look at HIE as a reduced level of blood and oxygen, which can lead to a brain injury. That's HIE in this context. And for a lot of families that contact us, the question for them is, or why they want an investigation into the cause of the HIE, is that is exactly what it is. They're having a hard time, or they're trying to understand what caused their baby to have to deal with this reduced level of blood and oxygen, which has led to a brain injury. And so for some families, what they will notice is after their baby is born, their baby may be blue in color, their baby may have to be taken to the NICU, their baby may have low APGAR scores, and their baby may suffer seizures. And those seizures can take place immediately after birth, or they may take place a little bit later, either in the NICU or sometime after that. And so remember, I said HIE, which is a reduced level of blood and oxygen, which can lead to a brain injury. And seizures can be the result in some cases of some type of injury to the brain. And that's how parents, they will see their baby dealing with seizures, and the doctors and the medical professionals will, in many instances, try to work with the family or work with the baby on the seizure issue. So the purpose of today's video is to try to help you understand from that medical legal standpoint some of the issues that are present when we are talking about HIE and we're looking at seizures, which can occur after. And so a lot of times when we're investigating these types of claims from that medical legal standpoint, and we're looking to help families find answers, we're looking to see what happened during labor and delivery. Was the baby in what we call fetal distress during labor and delivery? And if the baby was in fetal distress, did the doctors notice it? Did they diagnose that fetal distress? And if it was there, what type of treatment, if any, was given in regards to this condition? Because what can happen is if the baby goes on for too long with that, with oxygen and blood issues, then that it can lead to a brain injury. And that's something that can be very serious for a child. And in some instances, we can even deal with death. So that is the purpose of today's video, to try to help you understand some of these critical issues surrounding HIE and subsequent seizures afterwards. If you have more questions, or if you would like to talk with me further about what your child has going on, there's a telephone number on the screen. Go ahead and pick up the phone and call me. I talk with families all the time about these things: HIE, seizures, cerebral palsy, meconium aspiration syndrome, MAS, brachial plexus injuries. This is what we do. This is the work that we help families with. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys practicing law here in the state of Maryland. And I will see you next time. One more thing before I leave, I want to also leave you with this. If you contact me and you are not in the state of Maryland, just understand that I would have to, if this is something that we think we can help you with, have to use what we call co-counsel, or an attorney in your state, to help with the case. Because like I said earlier, I am an attorney that is barred in Maryland. All right, that's going to be it. Take care.